This is how to make a face mask from a Norwex window cloth. In order to make a mask out of a Norwex window cloth, I find that one layer is best for breathability. So I cut a window cloth into 4 pieces, 4 quarters. It's approximately 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches is my one piece for my one mask. And then 32 inches of elastic and about 6.5 inches of wire. I use bell wire. It's 18 gauge insulated copper wire, and it's about 6.5 inches before I twist the ends, and then I twist the ends. For the first step, I'm going to put a hem in the top of this. I'm just going to fold the top over about 5/8 of an inch, and that's where the wire is going to go. I'm just going to do a small hem along the bottom. So now we're looking at the mask from the back, and I'm going to fold over. I'm going to do this on each side. It's going to be about 5/8 of an inch again. I'm going to make sure, again, to sew along here. This is where I'm going to make a channel for the elastic to go through. And on this step, I switch over to short stitches to avoid back stitching. And then before I sew the other side, I will put the wire into the top of the mask. And then I will do the same thing on the other side with the 5/8 inch channel. So now you're finished with the sewing. The wire is encased up here, and then these are the channels for the elastic, or you can do ties. So what I will do is I will thread the elastic down through this channel and then up through this channel. So then you end up with your elastic going through. And then if I was doing ties, I would do 50. So the elastic is 32 inches. Ties, I would do 50 inches, and then I would leave them open. I wouldn't tie them together at the end, so you still have the ability to adjust here, and then you can tie them behind your head. But with the 32 inches of elastic, I will then tie it together. When I'm making a mask out of just regular cotton fabric, I usually put pleats in it. But with the Norwex window cloth, I find the best thing is just to have these channels and then to scrunch the fabric on the elastic as you're putting it on your face. And so then it'll be more like in this place when it's on, and you can adjust it to comfort. And you do that obviously with both sides. And there you have your end product.